Sidney's roles presented what I call the Poitier paradox. Sidney represented this dual image. Someone who, on the one hand, he satisfied a lot of the demands and needs of the black audience who felt we needed something to address the reprehensible depictions that preceded Sidney's images. And on the other hand, the kinds of roles that Sidney repeatedly performed, many assessed those roles to be inconsequential, ineffective, so far as really having any impact in a countercultural, insurrectionist way against the status quo.
The winner is Sidney Poitier.
In 1964, I was awarded the Oscar for Best Actor for my performance in Lilies of the Field, the first African American so honored. Did I say to myself, this country is waking up and beginning to recognize that certain changes are inevitable? No, I did not. I knew that we hadn't overcome because I was still the only one. My career was unique in all of Hollywood. I knew that I was a one-man show and it simply shouldn't be that way. And yet, in a way, I found the accolade itself quite natural. I wasn't surprised that such good things were happening to me because I'd never seen myself as less than I am. When I realized I could be a better-than-utilitarian actor, I realized that I had the responsibility, not as a black man, but as an artist, to exercise tremendous discipline. That's how I've always looked at it, that my work is who I am. I decided way back at the beginning, back when I was still washing dishes in a barbecue joint in Harlem, that the work I did would never bring dishonor to my father's name. Of all my father's teachings, the most enduring was the one about the true measure of a man. That true measure was how well he provided for his children, and it stuck with me as if it were etched in my brain. I didn't know where I was going next, but I knew that failure wasn't an option.